Hello my 7th standard students, how are we all? Okay, so here I'm gonna start with a new example which is given page number 71. In our previous video, we discussed some important points about the simple interest, am I right? With the formula and how to find out the final amount, whatever we have to return to the bank or whatever we have to pay to the bank, am I right? Okay, so let's get started with the example. See the question. Neha took a loan of 50,000 rupees at 12% per annum, that is 12 PCPA, to buy a two-wheeler. What amount will she return to the bank at the end of the 1 year? है ना? Neha took a loan of 50,000 rupees at 12% per annum. She took a loan of 50,000 rupees. She borrowed some money from the bank at 12 PCPA. 12 PCPA means 12 rupees at each 100 rupees for the 1 year. Am I right? How many 100 rupees are there in 15,000? She have to pay 12 rupees to the bank at PCPA. It means for the 1 year. Okay, to buy a two-wheeler. What amount will she return to the bank at the end of the year? So at the end of the year, whenever she has decided to return this amount to the bank, she have to pay some extra charges on this, and this is known as interest, है ना? At 12 PCPA she have to pay 12 PCPA on this 15,000. This will be interest amount. So how much amount she will return to the bank? So see the solution, how we have to find this. Solution. First, she took 50,000 rupees from the bank. So we have to write she took a loan of 50,000 rupees. Okay. Then on 50,000 rupees, she have to pay some interest charges, है ना? So we have to consider that is X, because we don't know about how much interest charges she have to pay on this 50,000. So we will consider on 50,000 rupees, suppose the interest charges be X rupees. Okay, interest charges be X rupees, and she took that loan at 12 PCPA. It means on 100 rupees, on each 100 rupees, the interest is 12 rupees. Interest will be 12 rupees. Are you getting me? She took a loan of 50,000 rupees from the bank. At the end of the year, she have to return to the bank. This amount she have to return to the bank. So obviously she have to pay some extra charges, and this will be her interest. On each 100 rupees, she have to pay 12 rupees. And this 12 PCPA that bank has decided she have to pay 12 rupees more on each 100 rupees. Okay, so this will be the interest charges for the bank that we have to pay or we have to return to the bank. Okay, then the interest charges will be X. Therefore, X upon 50,000. 50,000 is what? This is capital amount, है ना? The amount we borrowed or we deposited into the bank, this is known as principal amount. So X upon 50,000 is equal to 100. We have to find out the percent, 100, but bank put 12 rupees on 100, है ना? So 12 upon 100. We have to prepare an equation like X upon 50,000 is equal to 12 upon 100. Now, to remove this 50,000, we have to multiply 50,000 to the both sides. It means X upon 50,000 multiplied by 50,000 is equal to 12 upon 100 multiplied by 50,000. 50,000 multiply 50,000 to the both side. Are you getting me? Okay, it means 50,000 gets cancelled. 20 gets cancelled. What is that? X is equal to 12 multiplied by 500. X is equal to 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0, 12 5s are 60. 6,000. Therefore, X is equal to 6,000 rupees. That is what 6,000 is an interest charge. 6,000 is interest charge only, but we have to pay with this interest charge plus our capital amount, है ना? We have to return to the bank. So to find out the final amount, we have to add this two. We have to add them together. It means amount. This is the formula for finding amount in which we have to add interest charges plus our capital amount. So this amount is what we have to return to the bank to be written to the bank. Okay, this is optional. Okay, is equal to, in this we have to add principal amount plus interest. Principal amount plus interest. So principal amount is what? 50,000 rupees plus interest we got 6,000. So it will become 56,000. 56,000. So how much amount she has to be written to the bank? She has to return to the bank, that is 56,000 rupees. Amount to be written to the bank is 56,000 rupees. That we have to write. Amount written to the bank is 56,000 rupees. At the end of the year, she has to pay 56,000 rupees to the bank. If she took 50,000 rupees loan, so 50, then 60, and this 56. So 6,000 she has to pay as an interest charges. Hope you understand this. So try to write this example in a notebook. For this, thank you.